Hello, it's Jenna here. From the thumbnail, you already know what I will paint today. Yes, they will be poppy flowers. I used scarlet red and vermilion orange for the flowers. They will be typical colors for poppy flowers. I need also brown for painting flowers. This is light brown mixed with warm gray. And I have olive green for the stems here. I will take orange color on a wider brush. A little more water. I hold it like this and paint the petals with the side of the brush. More water and paint. This will be the back side of the flower that the sun will shine through, making it brighter. I'll take the red and make the darker parts inside that are deeper. In red, I will start painting the petals that are closer and lower to us, so we see them through more layers, and because of this, we see them darker. There is often a dark to black color at the base of the flower. I'll take brown. I got more water here than I wanted, so I'm going to suck it back a bit and spread it out. And it will be better if I take a thinner brush and do the details with a thinner brush. So now I do the darker parts in the petals and go with the brush towards the center of the flower. I'll take an even darker color. So towards the stem, the lower part of the flower is darker, even black. On the other side of the flower, since it's brighter from the sun and we have fewer layers, I add red instead of brown. It's so beautiful how the petals are translucent, delicate and soft, and at the same time bright when the sun shines through them. Okay, that's probably how it could be, but I'm still thinking about making the back petals a little lower so that the gap isn't so wide. Then when it dries a bit, I finish the stamens with a dark brown color. Okay, I'm going to the next flower. I'll start with orange again. I will make some irregular shape like this. I will put the red on the next layer. I'll start below to make it clear that it's another layer. And we see it as if from below, so the petals that are closer to us are lower, and the lower the darker. So I'll add brown here. I'm going to take the red one and make some flower petals. I think I'll leave it at it and go to the next flower. The orange is already kind of blend, so I'll add more pigment. I will make another flower on the other side. A little more water. And now I will add red again below and somewhat loosely like this. So many different flowers are blooming now that I didn't know which one to paint first. I decided on poppy flowers because they bloom for a very short time and there is something special about them. They are so distinctive and eye-catching that you have to look at them and admire them. Now we can return to the top flower and finish painting the stamens. I will take dark brown to black and paint them irregularly like this. I think I leave it at that. And now I will take the green and make the stems. The stems are often twisted in all sort of way, as if dancing, and it is typical for buds that they are turned upside down. I leave a strip of the unpainted part where the bud will open, to show that there is some structure. And I add darker color so that it is not so flat but has depth. I still have one bud here. Maybe I shouldn't have put it so high, but it's like nature. They grow in different places and heights, and this one grows behind this flower. I decided that the shadow will be on the left side, so I will add a dark color to the stems and buds. It's a detail that looks nice and gives the image depth. They wouldn't be poppies if they didn't have such fine hairs. It is typical for them. have thinner brush and make fine hairs. I will not make them all over the stems, rather in the upper part, and so I will paint it only as an indication. It doesn't have to have completely precise shapes. After all, it's bull's painting, isn't it? Poppy flowers are not only red and orange, but can also be white, cream, yellow, salmon, pink, purple, and even blue. I will take brown one and make dots on the buds. They will be hairs. The technical term for plant hair is trichomes. Poppy seeds are a favorite delicacy in Slavic countries. They are most often ground and put into sourdough cakes. But did you know that poppy petals can be used to make jam? I will take some more red paint and make splatters. It is nature, and for painting, little flies and pollen will fly there. I will splatter with orange paint. But when the sun shines, they are also bright, translucent. I take yellow. But they all seem tiny, so I take a bigger brush and add more splatters. I think it's more visible now. I'll leave it at that. I hope you like this painting and try something yourself. I wish you success and beautiful days among the flowers. See you on my next video. Bye bye.